motion here. So someone can sit back of you. Now we can go there to teleport back, so we can do another one. So let's go in this line here. Let's take off. Whee! Look at my hand, bro. Oh, look at this. It's fun. We're here. Well, this one wasn't that fun like the rest of the one. Okay, now let's go there. And let's see if there's a new update again. We can't find any chests this year. That's really rushed and that's really sad because last year there were so much diamonds to get. Look, the coffee is open and it's so beautiful. I love everything about this. And yeah, Bloxburg has an update. Don't forget to check it out. It has now the Christmas update. And yeah, post office. I wonder if in another year. Oh, I wonder if in another year this will get open. Hope Adopt Me will do that kind of stuff that you can like here gift somebody something. It will be so nice. Okay, let's check out another place. Whoa, this is a new place again. Look at the light. There's a pink and blue light. This is where the train comes. Look at Dolphin, how cute he's playing with a gift. Oh yeah, this is like the last year. The bears are sitting here with the gifts, making s'mores. Yeah, this year we can make s'mores finally. Can't wait. And yeah. Okay, I think I'm stuck here. Like how they change every year, they change the diamond looks. There's diamonds so much. Let's get rich. Well, I can't get any more. Just getting more and more and more. Okay. Alright. I got some. Great, I got all the diamonds. So guys, this is it for this video. Hope you like it. Goodbye.